This is my bike check for 2019. My name is Jase. Alright guys, so this is my bike. I'm going to make a rundown on all my parts, and I'm starting at the top. I got some Odyssey Gary Young grip. I got these shadow bars I've had for a while now. They're holding up pretty good. I got this shadow tray moon stem that's painted, so it might not look as good. And I got this shadow headset with a carbon fiber spacer. I got these fit forks. Forget which ones they are, but they're fit.
They painted?
Yeah, they're painted. Front wheel, I got a profile elite hub laced to a box rim with titanium spokes and an animal T1 top. Alright, this is my frame. It is a fit Dugan. I painted it white to match my hubs. Yeah. This is my seat. It is kink, and the seat post doesn't really matter because that's just there. Alright guys, I'm going to do these cranks. I'm running Odyssey twisted pedals. Black, no pins, save weight. Some We The People Royal V1 cranks. And this Y sprocket because it's light as hell, or I would be riding my other one. I am running this KMC chain. It is lighter than all the other chains.
What's your, I can't hear you.
Yeah, I have Profile Elites laced to a box rim with titanium spokes and an Animal V1 tire and tie spokes all around.
You mean bolts?
Bolts all around, and I have a tie driver.
What about your pegs? What are they?
My pegs are clear.
Clear pegs?
Yeah.
They might crack.
That's alright.
You know, every time you grind, your pegs get a little lighter?
Yeah, that's why I grind a lot.
Yeah. In case you can't tell, he likes to save weight.
I used to run no bar ends.
No bar ends, but we got ODIs now. Alright.
Oh, you guys want to know something else? My seat post is cut through right here. Save weight.
Save weight. Is that all?
I don't run valve caps.
Valve caps.
Saves a lot of weight.
It does.
Yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for this.
Is that your 2019 bike check?
2019 bike check.